So now we are going to say we have, let's solve the combination. So this, our combination is going to be what? 1. So we are going to have s raised to power 4, then minus 3 raised to power 0, plus. Then how do we get this, our own combination too? This should be what? 4. 4 times x raised to power what? 3, then minus 3 raised to power what? 1. You guys will be thinking, you'll be asking yourself, how did I get this 1 and 4? Okay, let me take this one, then solve. So when you have 4 combination 1, you are going to have 4 factorial over 1 factorial, open bracket 4 minus 1 close bracket factorial. You are going to have 4 over 3 factorial equals to 4 times 3 factorial over 3 factorial. 3 factorial will cancel 3 factorial. So you are going to have 4 left. So do you understand now? So that's how we come about this. When you solve this one too, you come about this too. So you are going to have plus this. You are having 2. Okay, let me say 4 factorial over 2, open bracket 4 minus 2. You are going to have 4 factorial over 2 factorial over 2 factorial. You are going to have 4 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial over 2 factorial over 2 factorial. 2 cancel 2 factorial. 2 factorial in 4 is what? 2. So you are going to have 6. 2 times 3 is what? 6. 6. Do you understand? So we are going to have 6 open bracket x raised to power 2, then minus 3 raised to power 2. So we apply the same thing here too. So we are going to have plus, when you have 4 factorial over what? 3 factorial over 4 minus 3 factorial, then equals to what? 4 factorial. 4 minus this will give you 1. Then you have 3 factorial, which you are going to have 4 times 3 factorial over what? 3 factorial. This cancels this will give you what? 4. So you are going to have 4 times x raised to power 1 times 3 minus 3 raised to power 3 plus 4 factorial we cancel 4 factorial. So you are going to have 1. Then x raised to power 0, then minus 3 raised to power 4. Do we understand? So we are going to have this raised to power x raised to power 4 is going to give you x raised to power what? 4. Then this will give you what? Times what? 1. Anything raised to power 0 is what? 1. You are going to have plus. Then we'll move forward. So minus 3 times 4 will give you minus 12. Then s cube plus 9. Then 6 s squared times 9 plus 4x times minus 27 plus this time this will give us 1 raised to power what? Plus 81. Plus 81. Good. let's move forward. So we are going to have this times it will give us 4x raised to power 4 plus this times it will give us minus 12 cube raised to power is also the same as what x raised to power 3 plus 6 times 9 is going to give us 54, which is s square, then plus 4 times minus 27 will also give us what 108 raised to power what x, then plus 81. That is our what final answer in that is our final answer in example 2. That is our final answer in example 2. So Pascal triangle. Going to clear. Okay. Good to go. Pascal triangle so when you have how to derive the formula, when you have a plus s, then a plus s, then a plus s, then a plus x, then a plus x. This should be 1, 2, 3, 4. This should be again a plus x, a plus x, a plus x. So if you have to solve, how to derive this formula? If you are using Pascal triangle to solve binomial question. So look, you have 1 and you have 1, 1, 1. Have you? Then you repeat it again. You have 1, 1 plus 1 will give you 2. Then you add another 1 outside, imaginary 1. Then you repeat 1, 1. You have 1. Then 1 plus 2 will give you what? 3. 2 plus 1 is what? 3. 3, you add 1. Imaginary 1. So you bring 1 again. 1 plus 3 will give you what? 4. 3 plus 3 will give you 6. 3 plus 3 will give you 4. Imaginary 1. Then we have again, we go again. 1. 1 plus 4 will give you what? 5. This plus this will give you 10. This plus will give you 10. This plus will give you 5. Then imaginary 1. We understand? So another 1. 1 plus will give you 6. 15. Then 20. Then 15. 6. 1. Do you understand? So you have 1 again. 7, 21, 35, 35. This plus it will give you 21. This plus it will give you 7 imaginary 1. That is the formula for what? Pascal triangle. That is the formula for Pascal triangle. That is the formula for Pascal triangle. So formula for Pascal triangle. So let's take one example on it. Let's take one example. Example 1. When you have x plus 3 raised to power 4. X plus 3 raised to power 4. So this is the question. This is the question. You say that solve binomial theorem or use Pascal triangle to solve. So this is the formula for Pascal triangle. So what is the what? Which one has the power of 4? So this has the power of 4. Then this is the value. You are using this one. So you are going to have, we are having in 4, we are having 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Do you understand? So we are going to solve. We are going to have 1 raised to power x raised to power 4, then 3 raised to power 0. So the x and the 3 is going to be what? Decreasing. So you apply the same thing here, 4. X raised to power 3, then 3 raised to power what? 1 plus 6 raised to power x raised to power what? 2, then 3 raised to power what? 2 plus 4. Do you understand? So we are going to have x raised to power what? Raised to power 1, then 3 raised to power 1, raised to power 3. Then we have our 1. We have 1 times x raised to power 0 times 3 raised to power 4. Do you understand? So we continue again. Step 1. Step 2. So x raised to power 4 is what? X raised to power 4. This raised to power 0 is what? 0 is also 1. So plus, we move forward. This times this is going to give us what? 12 x raised to power what? 3 plus 6 times 9 will give us what? S square plus. So 4 times 27 will give us times x. So x raised to power 0 will give us 1. So plus 81 plus 81. Do we understand? Plus 81. So we are going to have x raised to power 4 plus 12x raised to power 3 plus then 6 times 9 is what? 54 x squared plus 4 times 27 will give you 108x plus 81. That is our final answer. So do we understand? That is the example under Pascal, and we already solved example under binomial theorem, 2 examples, and we already solved 1 example under Pascal triangle. And we already solved how to derive the value which have any power. When you have a raised to power x raised to power 0, then 1 raised to power 1 raised to power 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 4. So we've already derived how we can get the value. Then impute it in our Pascal triangle solving. So our next topic, we are going to treat matrix. How to solve simultaneous equation under matrices. How to use determinant to solve simultaneous equation. Then using matrix to solve 2 unknown and 3 unknown simultaneous equation. Thank you very much.